Here's a look at this hanging towel holder. Show you how to assemble it really quickly. So this piece has these screws. You're gonna want to unscrew those out of there. Just like this. Okay, and then you got, this is your plate. This adhesive is what's gonna stick onto your wall. So your hook, you're going to attach like this, and then you're gonna push the screws through the back side of here. So I'll show you that, just like this. So put a screw through there so that it's coming out the other side. Line that up with the hole on the actual hanging hook. And then just screw that into place. Hard to do it in front of the camera, which is what I'm trying to do here. And I don't have a screwdriver on me right now. But just get it fed in with my fingers. This is not working at all. So there you got one screwed in. And there you've got the second one screwed in, and they screw in underneath the padding of the adhesive so that they won't hit your wall or anything like that. And then on this side, this is what your hanging hook looks like, you know, depending on which way you decide to do it. Probably like that. It's the best way, and has really good rotation and a really nice look to it for hanging some towels on. I think you'll be really happy with this hanging hook.